tension crystal clear. Holding back the power, but ready to fly. Feet twin roaring under the midday sky. Waiting for the signal, the spark to ignite, then let it loose into the light. A timeless dance on two wheels beneath leather and steel. The open road's call. I'm holding back the power, but it won't stop. Gear to gear, the moment near. Feel the tension crystal clear.